Welcome to day 28 of 365. Uploading video every day for 365 days. Today we are in a Bronco Sport. It's actually a pretty nice interior. Gonna do a partial front end PPF on this, I believe. I'm just gonna check my schedule to double check that's what I'm actually doing. But I'm gonna bring it inside, let it warm up while we do some other work. Another PPF tag wrap for my buddy Eric. Gonna do this one just matte black and then just a DP logo, but we gotta print that. So we're just gonna do the matte black, bring it over to him, get the DP logo step, put on it a little bit later. All right, so I may have just made a horrible mistake. I was working on trying to pull, because there was a huge air bubble right there. And what the technician told me to do when that happens is pull these out and take a syringe and I pull at the bottom. You guys have seen it. I've shown it in videos before. So I was doing it with the black, and as I put the black back, pulled my hand back, I hit this because this was closer and pulled it out of the bottom of the white head. I tried putting it back in now, and it looks like it's back in exactly where it was, but it will not print at all now. Like nothing. Before I was at least getting some print, but no, pretty much no blue there and no blacks. Now I've got nothing, like nothing at all.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Normally I don't go home for lunch, but I need to pick up the girls today, so figured on my way back to work, might as well make myself a protein shake. Throw this thing down, because if we're gonna start working out more, we gotta eat right. So we did that steak and eggs for lunch, leftover steak for the weekend with eggs, so we got some good protein there too. Let's get back to work. All right, and now we win. So after dealing with this, after fighting with this thing all day, having to take this apart, play with wires, and having this break, or what I thought was broken, got it reconnected, got the machine happy with me. A lot of cleaning these things, and like whole cleaning under that old carriage. We have now got like the most perfect colors, and the white is perfect too. So we're going to take advantage of this, and we're going to print as much of this stuff that we need printed as we can right now. All right, another short vlog today, guys, but just want to say I appreciate you guys sticking with me for 28 days. I've got a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to drop in the comments something you guys are doing this year to better yourself. Whether that's something you're doing to better your business, your mental health, your physical health, your spiritual. Drop something down in the comments, guys. What are you doing this year to better yourself? Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.